Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Martin. If you guys are new to this channel and you enjoy this video, then please do consider hitting that subscribe button down below, and while you're down there, hit the like button. Helps the channel out greatly. You guys have seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title. I've did it, I've went out there, I've invested a lot of my cash, pretty much all of it, into what car I've wanted since I was such a little boy, and that is your classic Ford Mustang. I picked up a 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, imported freshly from Alabama. It is a 289 engine and a 4-barrel carb. I paid for the car 4-5 weeks ago. It got delivered a couple of days ago. I literally took it off the delivery wagon, put it straight in the drive and went to work, covered it in a cover, went to work, and it's been there since. So yesterday I went out, got some footage of the car. I was going to bring you guys inside the car and to show you the car in detail, but then my dad showed up and we spent the whole day wrenching on the car. So that said, it is the next day, so let's go out. There's a cover over the car, but we can still get inside the car. So we'll remove the cover, get inside the car, and I'll show you guys inside. We'll take it from there. Stay tuned. So I'm pretty sure these are the original seats. I'm not too sure how to verify that. I know it is a blue interior. If you guys can help out on that, that'd be great. I think it's fair to say that is the original steering wheel for sure, and it all looks pretty original, I would say. We have the original headliner, which is pretty rough, to say the least. All the glass seems to be in pretty decent condition. All looks to be original. Just refuses to stay up. It just keeps falling down. As you can see, the cover is half off, so I'm guessing someone's tried to fix this in the past. Everything is metal, which I didn't expect. You can actually see daylight through these, so, and that has been patched badly at the front. So we do need a full floor pan from the firewall all the way back to here. The seat riser is actually okay. There's one or two tiny pinholes at the very front. That has to come out to get the floor pan out. So I'll just put a new one in. So on the passenger side, I've tried my best to break through this. It is absolutely solid. That is just surface rust. The very front, just there, it's weak, and I did get a screwdriver and managed to get through that tiny bit, but all this here is absolutely solid. So I'm pretty sure this is all original. That door panel looks original. The handles definitely look original. The dash pad is blue, so I think that is original. We have original paint on the actual dash, which is also metal. So I think this is a very original car. So we're in the front. Let's give it some accessory power. As you can see, we have alternator light. Turn signals work. I think the battery needs a recharge. We have the lights and the high beam. I'm not sure what these are all about, but they're quite quirky. This will be coming out. Luckily this hasn't been cut, so hopefully we can get original radio and put that back in. This is pretty neat. It's got a day and a night mode, which is, for the 60s, it's quite a nice little feature. Obviously needs a new headliner and sun visors. Oh, we have a light. Never noticed that before. We have the trim, but we don't on this side, which is a shame. It's got the very cool retro factory air, which is quite nice. It apparently works. I've not actually tested the AC side of it, but the fans all work as they should. For some reason it's missing 90% of the weather stripping. Shifter's completely gone. It needs new bushes at the bottom. Obviously a handle, it needs a trim, it needs a carpet. So this blue would probably clean up. This is metal. These can be replaced, but I don't know if these are original. If these are original, I will probably keep them, at least for the time being. I'm just not too sure how to find out if these are original or not. Guess I could take them off. That'll probably tell me. I'm guessing it'll be some manufacturer or something on the backside. It's a shame this doesn't work. It would be nice to have a working radio, not to actually listen to, because the speaker is probably perished and I don't have cassettes and we don't have AM radio. But it would be nice to have it lit up. That would be quite nice. So I'm just testing. I think the backlight for this has gone. Does it even have a backlight? We have no courtesy light, and I thought all Mustangs had a light in the centre, but this one doesn't. It would be really cool to find out if this was original. Pretty sure we can say the dash pad is original because that is pretty much past it. I did look at buying a replacement of this, but I could only find a light blue, and this to me, well, I would say that's dark blue, not light blue. So is it even possible to get a replacement of this dash pad, or would I have to go black? I do have the horn, but it's missing the ring and the spring that goes inside of here. I have made contact with the ground and the horn works, so it just needs them two bits to put the actual horn back on, twist it and lock it back into place. Under this is probably absolutely destroyed, but it looks quite nice. I don't mind it. This is blue paint, I believe, so I could maybe clean this up, and with the horn back on it would definitely do for the time being. Eventually maybe get myself a wooden wheel, the deluxe steering wheel, but for the time being this would definitely do the job. Change the key ring. I think that looks much better than the yellow tag. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.